everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Neighbors. Hope all my neighbors are out there doing well, keeping safe and being happy and having great holidays. Anyway, making a classic cheese ball today, so quick, easy. Okay, 8 ounces of cream cheese, room temperature. 2 cups of sharp cheddar. 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire. Half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Ingredients together with my handy dandy hand mixer. I'm going to refrigerate this after I roll it into a ball in cling wrap. I'm just going to throw it up there. And then I'm going to roll it in slivered almonds that I toasted. So I warmed up my pan, put them in the pan for a few minutes, continue stirring until they were browned. But let's wrap this up into a ball, or a ballish form. I'm going to refrigerate that. Doesn't have to be perfect. I'm going to refrigerate that for probably at least an hour, and then I'll roll it in the almonds and I'll be back. Hello, we're back.
Hello.
This has been chilling in our fridge for a few hours. Now we're... Yeah, it's just easier. Pretty?
Yeah, it looks good. Is that it?
Well, then I'll squish more of it on there. That's it, baby.
Wow.
Yeah. So it's very quick, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then you just
this will be like a 5-minute video probably.
Oh yeah, like we can and this is a great thing that you can take to
Okay, wait.
my favorite part. Eating with my fingers. The toastiness of the nuts are nice. And if you don't eat nuts, you can use bacon bits. Roll it in bacon bits if you want.
Cool.
You know, or roll it in parsley or chives. It's so, like, make it your own.
I hear his footsteps, but I don't see her.
That's okay.
Oh, she's right there. Okay.
Anyway, guys, happy holidays. Be safe. Take care. God bless.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.